Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel. So today I'm doing something that I've rarely done on this channel, and that is talking about themes. Okay, so I recently came across this theme and I think I like it. I've used so many themes, but to me themes don't matter a lot. Mostly I use the default VS Code theme, which is uh, okay, I'll show you. Everybody knows the dark theme, the default VS Code dark theme. That is what I mostly use. And the reason is based on what you use to rate a theme as good for you or not. So for me, it's not just the color or how it looks like. There are things like how do I differentiate maybe the text and the variables, and is it maybe clear in terms of like if I just look at this theme in general, just my code in general, will I be able to differentiate like this is the text and this is like different colors? And that is what actually I think was put into consideration in developing the VS Code general dark theme. Let me just try to get it. Default dark, this one, yeah. So you can see that when you look at this theme here, it is very easy for you to know that this is a class. Okay, this one here is the model class. If you are using Laravel, because this is a Laravel application code, and you can also see the variables. Okay, the variables stands out from from classes like models there, or just classes in general. And you can see the text. If you do the text, you find that it is clear. You can see it clearly. So as for me, that is what makes me rate a theme as good or for my own use. But I know that many people have different reasons to rate a theme as good or bad, or not. There's no bad theme actually. The best theme for you is the one that you prefer. Okay, so I'm not going to discussion of this theme is better than the other one, but then I just want to show you the theme this theme that I'm talking about. So if I just go to the settings, color theme, and then I'm going to show you what that theme is. Then I just change to this theme here. You can see it looks so fine. And this theme here, you can change the color. You can make it glow actually. So if I just do Control P, and then I just search there enable you have enable neon dream. So if you just turn that one on, you see it refreshes, and now you can see our theme, our code has a glow effect, so it is glowing, right? So so which theme is this? Right, so let's just go to this plugin section here, and then we'll search for that theme. It's called Synthwave. Synthwave. It is called Synthwave 84. This one here. Okay, it is by Rob Owen, I think. Yeah, so this is the theme, and you can see from the downloads, I've never seen a theme that with more downloads than this one, and even the more ratings than this one. You can see these are 5-star ratings, and it is I said 568,116 downloads. So the many downloads means that many people like this theme. Okay, many developers love it, and that is why we have many downloads and many ratings there. So if you like it, you can install it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. But then you can leave suggestions of the themes you are using, and that can help other people. Like maybe you have another theme that I have not come across and it's better than this, or you prefer it is your best. That just comment the name of the theme in the comment section below. Thank you so much.